Good morning to all. Welcome back to another session of the social science class. Did you complete your homework? Yesterday I gave some, in the last class I gave one homework. Finish your S1 and read content book. All of you did it? Okay. All of you do. Don't be delayed. Okay? Okay. In the last class, we have discussed that our fifth block. What is the name of the block? Anybody can say? Yes, what is the name of the block? Yes, very good. Block 5. Neighborhood and school. Neighborhood and school. Our block name is neighborhood and school, and we have discussed my neighborhood, and we have discussed about our neighborhood or neighborhood people. There are many people in our surroundings. They are known as neighborhood people. What is a neighborhood? That's our keyword. What is a neighborhood? Neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? That we have discussed yesterday, last class. Yes, what is neighborhood? Neighborhood is a place many people living in the same area in different houses. Or neighborhood is an area where we live around us. Okay, neighborhood is an area around us where we live, and there are different people living around us. They are known as neighborhood people. That we have discussed yesterday. Who are they? Yes, teach Meena meet different people. We have read a story about Meena, and Meena meet different people in her daily life. They are known as neighborhood people. Teacher, doctor, postman, gardener, milkman, they are the neighborhood people. They all help us, and they depend on each other. Understand? Okay, let us move to the next topic. Lesson 2. Yesterday we have discussed, completed our lesson 1. Today we move to the next topic. Lesson 2. Different places. Neighborhood place. Neighborhood place. Neighborhood places. What is the name of your neighborhood? Yes, we all are living in different places. Different names are there. What are the things we can see there? Different things are around us, right? They are known as neighborhood places. Today, we will talk about different places in our neighborhood. So our aim is to describe different places in our neighborhood. Describe different places in our neighborhood. Describe different places in our neighborhood. All of you take your notebook. I already told you that you have to be ready with your textbook, your notebook and your workbook. Are you ready? Okay. All of you open your notebook. Open your notebook. Then write down neighborhood places. Neighborhood places or places in neighborhood. Places in neighborhood. Then you can write, what are the places you can see around you? You can write some neighborhood places around you. Your neighborhood places. Okay, I will give you some time to write that. You have to make it 2 column. Neighborhood place, place in neighborhood. Then, how do they help us? How do they help us? How do they help us? You can write some of the neighborhood places here, and how do they help us? You can write here in the second column. Okay, ready? Take notebook and write down some of the neighborhood places. Okay, you can say what are the places in your neighborhood? Yes. What are the places? Hospital. 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 Shop or grocery shop. Grocery shop. Then post office. Yes, very good. Post office. How do they help us? This hospital. Did you write it? Yes, you know that. Taking care of people. Taking care. Then grocery shop, get different things. We can buy things. We can buy different things like our daily uses, which are toothpaste, our food items, that we can write from the grocery shop. Then post office. How do they help us? Yes, deliver the letter. Deliver letters or supplying letters. Can you say some other neighborhood places? Some other places in our neighborhood. Can you say? Okay, I will show you some pictures. Then you have to find out which are the places in our neighborhood. Okay, I will show you. This is a neighborhood place. These are some neighborhood places. Okay, all of you look at the picture and identify which are the places we can see in this picture. Okay, I hope you understood, identify different places that we have already written here. Hospital, grocery shop. Then any other places are here? Bank. Yes, very good. Bank. Yes. Then post office already I written here. Hospital are written here. Then stationery. Stationery shop. Stationery shop. Then one more is the, yes, very good, park. Park. How do they help us? Park, we can go and relax. Relax. We can sit and relax. We can sit and relax. Then bank, give money. Whenever we need ATM, we can ATM help us to take out the money. ATM or bank take out the money. It helps us to take out the money. Okay, these are the some neighborhood places. Okay, what place is the most important place in your neighborhood? Can you say? What is the most important place in your neighborhood? Yes, hospital. Hospital is the most important place in our neighborhood. Every neighborhood have a hospital. Most of the neighborhood have hospital, post office and this kind of grocery shop like that. Okay. What is the most important neighborhood place? What is the most important neighborhood place? Can you say? What is the most important neighborhood place? Yes, hospital. Every neighborhood need to have a hospital and a post office. Hospital is very important because it helps us when we are sick and taking care of us, and a police station. Every neighborhood need post office, hospital and police station. The most important place is police station and we didn't write here police station. Most important police station. Police station protect us. Protect us. Understand? So all these neighborhood places help us. All the neighborhood places help make our lives easier and comfortable. Easier and comfortable. Okay, these are the some neighborhood places which are there: police station, hospital, grocery shop, post office, bank, stationery shop, park. These are some places in neighborhood. These all places help us in different way. How do they help us? Police station help us to protect us from the robbers. Then a hospital taking care of the people when we are sick. And we can buy different things from the stationery shop, then deliver letters through the post office. Then bank, we can take out the money from the ATM. Then park, we can sit and relax in the park. Anyway, all these neighborhood places help us in different way and help it make our lives easier and comfortable. All these neighborhood places make our lives easier and comfortable. I will ask one question. How would you know the place is park or hospital or a post office? How would you know that the place is post office or park? Can you identify? Yes, how? Yes, park has large open space. Park has large open space. We can sit and relax there. Park has large open space. We can sit and relax there. Then what about bank, post office and police station? Post office and police station, they would have a board in front of that building. Then we can understand, a name is written there: bank, post office, hospital. Then we can understand, we can identify that is police station, that is post office and that is bank. Understand? Then we have discussed that what is the most important place in our neighborhood. Which are they? Police station and hospital. Because every neighborhood place need to have a police station to protect us from the robbers. If there is no police station, we are not safe. Then a hospital also needed in neighborhood place. Every neighborhood place to have a hospital for taking care of the people who are sick. Understand? So, I hope you understood this topic. What is the topic we have discussed today? We have discussed the places in neighborhood. Which are the places? Police station, hospital, grocery shop, post office, bank and park. These are the important places in our neighborhood. These all neighborhood places help us in different ways. All these places make our lives easier and comfortable. And every neighborhood place to have a police station and a hospital for taking care of the people and protect the people. Understand? I hope you understand this topic. Your homework is written here. Homework. Finish your S2. Finish S2 and read content book. Okay, that's all about this topic. I hope you understand. Thank you.